Hey friends, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to cover how you can create in Squarespace a most popular blog content section on your site. Now, this does not happen automatically, so you'll need to do this manually, but it's actually pretty easy to do. And if you have a blog that's thriving, it's really worth it. So let's get into it. Cool, so we're here on my demo website. This is the process that you'll go through. You'll go to your analytics, and it's a demo website, so it's not gonna show me a ton of data here, but what you'll do is you'll go to site content, and here it's gonna list your most popular site content and let you know what pages get visited the most. I know on our agency website, we have a few blog posts that just perform really well. And so you'll see those show up here. You could organize this by 30 days, as you can see here, or you can do 90 days, or you could do this year or the last 12 months, whatever you like, but you could find the best and most popular blog posts. And then from there, this is what you'll do. All right, now we are going to go to the blog, and this is where we're going to begin. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the blog. And again, this is a demo website, so there's not a lot of blog posts, but what you'll do is you'll go and find those favorite blog posts. You can search here, find the post. Once you find it, click the three little dots, click settings, and this is what you're going to do. Now, there are a few ways to do this, but this is the way I'm going to recommend. It's probably the simplest to use. In here, you'll come and then you'll click on options and then click on featured posts. Okay, so we're gonna check this box here, featured posts. The alternative, and I'll just mention it just so you know, the alternative is you could set up a tag that's called like favorites or something like that, whatever you want to call it. And then as soon as you add that tag, you'll use that tag for all of the posts. But in this case, I'm just going to use featured posts because I don't really use featured posts for anything else. So I will check featured posts there. I'll hit save. I'll go to another post and do the same exact thing. Go in here, go to settings. This is one of our most popular posts, right? So I'll come in here, click save, be good to go. And then I'll do one more for good measure. Here we are, SEO, boom, done, just like that. So now we have 3 posts that are tagged featured posts. And now I'm going to go to the homepage where I'm going to add these most popular posts and add that to the site. So I'll click edit here on this homepage. And then right here, I'm going to add a section. And what I'll do is I'm just going to add a blank section. I'm going to start with a blank section. And then in here, what I'll do, there's a few things, but I'll just do most popular posts, make this, that's really big, H3, looks like there's extra space here, get rid of that. Then below this, I'm going to hit the plus sign and then search for summary. And then I will add a summary in. This is so easy, so effective, it's great. So what I'll do is I'll select a page, and from here, I'm going to add the articles. Then from there, you could add date posted. I'm just going to do none. Don't need that. Don't need any of this metadata. But filter items. In here, again, you could choose a category or tag. I don't have any tags. That's why it's grayed out right now. But I would just select a featured only. Boom. Just like that, it will do the featured only. And then I'll go to design and actually set this up not as a wall, but a grid. And actually, I'll do a carousel. Yes, carousel is much better. And I'll get rid of a few things, make a few adjustments. I don't need this header text. I won't even use it, so I'll just get rid of it. Be good to go there. Title, feature image, excerpt, that's great. Read more link, that's wonderful. Perfect, that's all good. Let me see, you could do more content and other things. I'm just gonna keep it at this. Number of items, 3 per row is really good. 4 could be good as well, but I'll stick with 3. Items per row, 3. Oh, oops, I did that backwards. So items per row, 3 or 4 is ideal, and then you could go up to 10 or 12 posts. But in this case, I only have 3 right now, so this is good. And there we go. And so what I can do as well, I can come here and write. And so I could add in a bit of text here, but what I do is I would probably add a spacer and then drag this spacer to go right here and then push this text in a bit. So it has a look and feel like this. And boom, just like that, we have created a section for our most popular content. Yes, it's manual, but as you can see here, once you get this set up, you're good to go. So in the future, if I go into this blog post, for example, and this is in a draft and it's, let's just say it's one of our most popular, I'm gonna schedule it to be published. Today's perfect, and then go back and select featured post. You're gonna see, all right, get rid of that. You're gonna see once I hit refresh here that this blog post title 1 copy is gonna show up here. Boom, just like that. So now it's in a way automated, but you manually just have to go in there and check the featured post and you're good to go. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.